Barajas.
And I'm Alona Carson. A registered sex offender who was just convicted of manslaughter is now on the run. 27-year-old Victor Torkizadeh was supposed to show up at the Fort Bend County Courthouse for the punishment hearing this morning, but he never showed.
Eyewitness News reporter Andy Sirota spoke with the fugitive's family and his lawyer, and he joins us live now. Andy?
Eric, Victor Torkizadeh may be a wanted fugitive, but the sentencing phase of his murder trial here at the courthouse is moving forward without him. Victor Torkizadeh's family was in court today for the punishment phase of his murder trial. Yet the 27-year-old, who a jury convicted on a lesser charge of manslaughter, was nowhere to be found. Don Hecker, his attorney, talked to Torkizadeh by cell phone yesterday afternoon after he disappeared from court.
And I was able to tell him that there was not one good reason to stay away.
What did he say to you?
He said he would take it under advisement, and then he didn't show.
Instead of sticking around for his sentencing, Torkizadeh, who was free on a $10,000 bond, fled the courthouse right after the jury came back with its verdict.
There's evidence that he did change clothes. There was a shirt found in a stairwell by a court reporter. One of the bailiffs recognized it as being a shirt that this gentleman had had in his possession at one point.
While defendants on trial for murder are typically ordered into custody once they're convicted, Torkizadeh's bond was never revoked. Judge Brady Elliott, who was supposed to make that call, told us he would tell us why after the trial was over.
His punishment goes on, and I'm having to sit there at counsel table and convince a jury to be lenient when he is not there.
Torkizadeh was found guilty of manslaughter in the 2007 death of his close friend and cousin, Johnny Perez. Torkizadeh ran over Perez with a car in Stafford after the two got into a fight. At issue, a dispute over $60. Torkizadeh is a registered sex offender and has a tattoo on his back which reads, "Only God can judge me." And Torkizadeh has been a registered sex offender since 1999. That's when he was convicted of sexually assaulting a 12-year-old. He served 20 months in prison for that offense. If you have any information about his whereabouts, call Fort Bend County Crime Stoppers. That number, 281-342-TIPS.